Don't replace it, fix it. That's what Bumpers on the Run in Windsor Locks does, and that's why they're different and way more affordable than body shops. When you fix your bumper and don't replace it, you'll save more than 50% on a typical bumper job. They specialize in small repairs, including dents, cracks, and scrapes, and you'll get an expert color match. It's finally time to get that bumper fixed, not replaced, and save hundreds of dollars with Bumpers on the Run. Google Bumpers on the Run LLC in Windsor Locks for contact info and to see all the reviews today. Don't replace it, fix it.